In this video, we're going to take the measurements that we need to draft our swimsuit template. In the resources, you can download the explanation sheet and the measurement sheet that you will record your measurements on. And the first measurement that we need is the depth of cup. What we do is we measure down the bust to where the bust meets the midriff, and you record that measurement. The next measurement is the cleavage point. You measure from the apex over to the center front to just inside the center front line, and that is your cleavage point. The next measurement is our top cup. And this measurement is basically the same as your above bust, only it's about your coverage. It's about how much of your above bust area that you'll show in your design. We start at the apex and go 2.5 to 3 inches up, and you record that amount. The next measurement is your side crease, and this measurement starts at the apex over to the side just before the side seam where the bust meets the midriff, and you record that. And this measurement is for a bra, an underwire bra, or a bikini top of some kind that you would want to cover that area. If you have an underwire bra, for example, you're going to insert the wire from the cleavage point to the side crease. And when you buy those wires, you have to know what that measurement is. So it's basically the distance from the cleavage point to the underwire point is what the size of your underwire is going to be. So we need to know what that measurement is. The next measurements that we take are very important to the bottom parts of your swimsuit. The crotch depth, we place the tape at the top of the center front and let it fall down between your legs, and you want to snug it just a little bit, and you let the tape come around to the center back, and the little dip in the center of your back is where you end the tape. And at that point there, and that is your crotch depth measurement. And you take that measurement and you divide it by 2 and record. The next measurement is your crotch crease. This measurement's very important, and it's about how much coverage that you're going to want to have in the front of your crotch. You measure up 6 inches from the bottom of your front crotch depth, and you start at the side crease over to the side crease, and you record that. And we're going to use half of that measurement in the draft. The last measurement is very important, just as much as it is in the front, is the butt crease. We find the center of our back waist. We put the tape at the top of our center back, and we let the tape fall down around the fullest part of the buttocks to where the buttocks meets the leg, and that is the crease of your buttocks. And you record that. And we're going to use all of these measurements when we draft our swimsuit template. And that concludes the taking of the measurements to draft our swimsuit template. In the next video, we're going to use these measurements to draft our swimsuit template. And I'll see you in the next video.